What we know so far, 2024 Ford Mustang, there is no match to compare. Starting at $32,515. Ford launches the 7th chapter of its storied Mustang sports car with reworked but familiar styling, revised chassis hardware, an all-new interior, and 2 improved powertrains. While the new pony is saddled up for the future with a bevy of upgrades, the long-term fate of its closest competitors, the Chevy Camaro and Dodge Challenger, isn't as rosy. The new-gen car will continue to be powered by a 5.0-liter V8, this time with output cranked to 480 horsepower. A 315 horsepower turbocharged 2.3-liter EcoBoost is also an improvement, but only slightly. Both a 6-speed manual and a 10-speed automatic will be available depending upon engine choice. The Mustang will continue to be offered in both hardtop coupe and softtop convertible body styles. The Mustang's rethought cockpit includes an available 13.2-inch display that's part of a large curved screen that extends over the center stack area. The system also replaces traditional knobs for climate and radio. Control with touchscreen buttons. Sales of the new pony car should begin sometime during summer 2023. The Mustang will enter its 7th generation with sales beginning in summer 2023. The new design brings the Mustang some desperately needed updates. Amid its many style and powertrain changes is a fresh roster of offerings for those with a true need for speed. Both Mustang GT and EcoBoost models will offer an optional Performance Pack equipment upgrade. The Performance Pack adds a front strut tower brace, Torsen limited slip differential, wider wheels and tires, larger Brembo brakes, and a MagneRide active dampening suspension. Optional Recaro buckets and an active exhaust are also available for the performance-minded. Additionally, Ford offers a performance electronic parking brake that looks like a traditional lever-action handbrake, and is said to make the Mustang easier to drift. An all-new Mustang Dark Horse track-ready model has also been added to the ranks, toting a more sinister 500 horsepower Coyote V8 engine and a direct line to the Ford Performance. Parts bin with leaner and meaner equipment upgrades. The Mustang continues to offer a turbocharged 4-cylinder EcoBoost at the base level and a V8 in the GT model. While we won't know the specifics of each trim until the 2024 Mustang gets closer to its summer 2023 sale date, it would be hard not to recommend the V8 e-powered GT. A Mustang with a V8 engine just feels right, bringing more performance and an ear-pleasing growl. Plus, it's the only powertrain that offers a 6-speed manual transmission. Engine, transmission, and performance. The new Mustang comes standard with an upgraded turbocharged 315 horsepower 2.3-liter 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine with 350 pound-feet of torque. That's 5 horsepower more than the previous Mustang, but still trails the last-gen EcoBoost Performance's 330 horsepower. While every EcoBoost Mustang gets a 10-speed automatic transmission, the Mustang GT, which continues to offer a 5.0-liter V8, has a 6-speed manual standard. The last generation's Coyote V8 produced 450 horsepower with 420 pound-feet of torque, but the new unit is rated for 480 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque. Ford says an optional performance exhaust increases output to 486 horsepower and 481 pound-feet. The all-new Mustang Dark Horse model is a track-focused step-up based on the GT that uses a 500 horsepower 5.0-liter V8 with either a 10-speed automatic transmission or a 6-speed manual. Ford said the heart of this engine contains connecting rods from the 760 horsepower Mustang Shelby GT500 plus a revised intake system. Our test team hasn't strapped their instruments to the new pony yet, but we'll update this space as soon as they have. Fuel economy and real-world miles per gallon. The EPA hasn't released official fuel economy estimates for the 2024 Mustang EcoBoost or GT, but for reference, we should mention the last Mustang earned an EPA estimated 21 miles per gallon city, and 32 miles per gallon highway with the turbo 4-cylinder and 10-speed automatic. For the last Gen V8, the added horsepower sacrificed efficiency for an estimated 15 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway. We'll update this space with info for the updated 2024 Mustang when it becomes available. For more information about the Mustang's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. From the driver's seat of the 2024 Mustang, every detail has been chiseled in place with what Ford is calling a fighter jet-inspired design. While we wait to find out if the Mustang's performance will break the sound barrier, its standard 12.4-inch instrument cluster is a massive leap ahead from the previous cars. The configurable display can be customized to fit the needs of most red, white, and blue patriots, with selectable colors, gauges, and even a calm screen that reveals only the most necessary details. Ambient lighting and a driver's display adapts to whichever drive mode you've selected. Base Mustangs come with cloth seats and available micro-suede vinyl inserts, while the premium level adds stitched bits and pieces from door trim to dashboard. The Mustang GT gets leather inserts. Ford has also introduced a remote rev function that allows the car's engine to blast up the RPMs with a simple click from the key fob while you admire the sounds from outside the car.